Hi,
Hello,
how are you doing?
I am doing good, thank you. How are you?
Doing well. Thank you for asking.
Uh, it's not clear. Can you please keep your mic closer?
Yes, is this better?
Yes, little better.
Sorry about that.
Okay, no problem.
How can I help you today?
Basically, I am working on my listening skills, so I will prefer to make you more communicate. So, I just wanted to know about your culture, and you should discuss a few other things so that I could listen to you.
Oh, perfect. I can do that. Well, yes. Well, my name is Shelby.
Uh-huh.
I, I live in the United States in Colorado, but
Mm-hmm.
I'm from a state called Nebraska. Um,
Okay.
yes, I really like to travel, which is why I left home in the first place. My favorite places to go are to the ocean, to the Caribbean, and I've traveled to India and Nepal. Um, but whatever I do, I like to spend time outside. Culturally, I I guess I'm an American with American culture. My family has been in America since
Mm-hmm.
1700s, 300 years.
Oh,
So I don't have any other culture other than just the regular American culture, whatever that means. I
so
have,
in India, where you came?
when I was in India, my plane flew into New Delhi, and then
Mm-hmm.
I went on a tour, and I think I went to Jaipur, and then I went to see the Taj Mahal. So where is that? That's in um,
Delhi.
uh, somewhere right outside of Delhi, the Taj
Yes,
Mahal.
yes, Agra. That is nearby Delhi.
Okay, so I went to Agra and Jaipur, and then another city in the north. But then I got on a train, and I took the train all the way north to Rishikesh, I think. Yeah, Rishikesh.
Yes, Rishikesh.
And I was up there in the Himalayan mountains for about 2 months. And
2 months, Himalayan mountains.
2 months.
So, so what he was doing over there? I mean, maybe there would be cold.
It was cold because it was December.
Oh,
So 2 months is cold. There's no heat. There's
sorry,
lizards.
I'm not able to listen to you. Can you please keep
Yeah,
your mic
so
closer?
there's lizards on the walls and spiders. But I was doing yoga, and I went to some ashrams and just meditating for about 2 months and eating very good, simple meals with no salt and very simple life. Wearing, wearing white clothes and doing yoga. All
Yes, yes. I was also planning to do the same thing which you did. So, how was your experience? I mean, you found any specific change in yourself?
well, that's complicated. I would say that the changes I was seeking did not happen, but I was able to observe myself and gain a better knowledge of myself. Um,
Okay.
so, spiritually, there was a big change, but
Please make your mic closer to your mouth because this microphone is not catching your voice.
is this better or worse?
Yes, yes. Now better.
Okay, excellent. Um, no, the spirit. I had a big spiritual change. I was seeking and some peace in my heart. But uh, I wanted. I don't know. I wanted to go and be really fit and more athletic, and that did not happen. I think
Because over
all
there you might have to sit on the ground and you have to close your eyes, deep breathe. Yes, yes, yes.
deep breathing, meditating, but it was very nice. I did a teacher training for 200 hours. Um, and no, it was fun. But I do love to travel. I think my family in Nebraska is very small. So,
Okay.
and my parents, they died when I was young. So I don't, in my personal culture, there is no pressure to get married or have a family. So I'm able to travel and see all sorts of things.
So
Um,
you are not still married
I am not married. No, not
and you are above 30 or below 30?
above,
Above 30.
well above. But that's okay because no parents, so nobody really cares except for me.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I spend my time going traveling mostly. I do like to cook food. I
Uh-huh.
spend lots of time going to the market and shopping for fresh fruits and vegetables and fish. And I like to cook complicated recipes. Um,
Okay.
so I wish I was a chef, but they call us a home chef. So
So, do you have any other profession? I mean, working on Cambly, and other than that,
yes, I do. Uh, I am a what you call a caretaker or a home visiting nurse. So, what I do for my work is it's a contracted job, which means I don't have a regular employer. I employ myself.
okay.
Yes, and so clients call me on the phone. And they're usually
Mhm.
senior citizens, elderly people. And if they need help, I go to their house and I help them. Usually, I will take their blood pressure, check their heart, especially help them with their pills, and check their skin and see if they have any injuries, bruises, cuts, or scrapes. And that's what I do as a visiting nurse.
So that is a great job because you have no pressure and you are just on demand, right?
On demand, but I have a schedule. I do have a schedule. So I
Okay,
work.
so people are booking online?
Usually, older people use the telephone. So,
Yes, but how they found you? I mean,
ah,
you have any specific portal?
no, I have a company. I'm listed with elderly services, so people see my
Okay.
listed in a directory. Yeah.
Okay, so they are directly calling you from that specific website, right?
Yes. Yes. Usually a magazine or a paper advertisement. Lots of older people don't use the internet.
Yes, yes, okay.
Yes.
So that is really nice. So other than that, and you and who is with you? I mean, your brother and sister, or who?
I have roommates. I live with five roommates that we all live in a house together. My brother lives in a different state. He lives in Nebraska. He has a
And you have your own house, or you are giving the rent and all?
rent. Yes,
Okay.
I rent. I don't own. Here, a house, $4 million.
$4 million.
Oh, that's our time. Bye bye.
Bye.